Very good afternoon. Welcome to DeltaCapitis daily market review. Yesterday we had taken a bullish view on Nifty. This exactly my words were. 18,650 was a resistance and now it should be a support area. As long as 650 is held, we could expect market to test 18,780 levels. I think we almost touched 18,780 levels today. Data is bullish, technical is also bullish. Bear traps at 18,700 calls. So technically and data both were supporting up move, and I was expecting 18,780 to be tested. I think today we almost touched that point in terms of our expectation. Nifty high was actually today around 18,770, around 770. So basically, this is met. If you look back into the video, I was little hesitant on Bank Nifty also. 44,000 to 44,050 was different today, and that should be support area. 200 and above, we could expect some up move, but market did not cross 44,200. So support was at 44,000 and resistance was at 44,200. I think these levels on Bank Nifty and my mild cautiousness on Bank Nifty actually worked out today also. What's in stores for tomorrow? How are we going to plan tomorrow? One is expiry, and the second thing is basically we are getting into Fed event. So today the commentary will be there. So tomorrow markets will start reacting to both the events, and we are at a resistance on Nifty. Bank Nifty struggling around 44,200. Given this scenario, how do we plan the trade for tomorrow? Let's look at it. First, Nifty in terms of technicals, pretty good, nothing to worry. We are still trading price above the short-term moving average. RSI, we were discussing about RSI finding support 60. It did find support 60, and we are just around the high, which we made couple of days back. So now, if I take any long positions home, given the news, given the expiry, it has a very poor risk to reward. So I have gone home clean, no trades, no zero positions in my account, all wiped out. I think I was telling in the tweet also today morning that I'm going to use this rally to book my profits. I don't want to be taking any positions before the event, the Fed event. Markets are bullish, no doubt. Now the question is, yes, not all bullish stocks and bullish setups will be immediate buy, right? So this is a setup where it is bullish, no doubt, given the news and given the area that right now we are sitting at 18,780, 760 levels, which it's a resistance area. This is not very comfortable for me to take any long positions immediately unless until there is a dip. It is no doubt it is bullish, but a dip is pretty much a very good sign for a risk reward per se. Where would this dip be? See, this was a resistance which was created a couple of days back. Now we are around the same area, and we saw last 3 hours absolutely market doing nothing, stuck in a very tight range of 30-40 points. Now we are at resistance area. Can I take long? Probably yes, but where is my stop loss? Too far away. So risk reward is not favorable. Now what can I expect? For a risk reward per se, I would expect a dip towards this gap or around this long-term moving average, which is around 18,650, 670. So basically, 18,650 will be a support again. So any dips by chance tomorrow because of news uh, or expiry, if I get a dip to 650, 670 levels, that will be a dip that I will use for creating one more long position. There is no sell-off setup as yet. So there is no sell-off setup as yet. If by chance market reacts to the news on a negative side, it will be pulled back again. At least one pullback can be expected towards 18,750 levels by chance if there is a small gap down. But market closing at the high is a very good sign. If the commentary from Fed event is good, it might be a gap up also. So since every response from here depends upon the news outcome, I play on technicals. If there was no outcome on the news, if it was purely technicals, I would have still taken a long position, little far away home. But given the news and market reacting to the news is where I cannot. I can read the technicals and take a view, but I cannot anticipate what news and what outcome will be from this news, and then take a position based on the news. So around the news time, I'll try to take a back step. But technicals are obviously bullish. Obviously bullish. When I look at options data on Nifty, superb data. If you see 18,700, we saw about 63 lakhs OI build up. Yesterday about 40 lakhs, today about 63 lakhs. 18,750, which is at the money, we have seen about 50 lakh positions. 18,800, which is in the money put rating is seen. Call rating is seen little to some extent around 750, about 23 lakhs, and about at 850 we have seen about 23 lakhs. Right? So the data, if you see, data is absolutely bullish. Technicals are also bullish. Since the news is there, why take a risk? Is why I have taken a back step. But dips are comfortable to take a buy position again. So dips to 650 to 700. I don't think we will see at 650, but around six close to 700, 680 is where again we can probably think of one more buying opportunity will be presented to us around 680 to 700 levels. Why 700? Because 700 is the highest open interest on the put side for this expiry as on yesterday with 1 CR open interest. Today, it has built up to 1.7 CR. So very strong bullish data also, where 70 lakhs odd positions have been added to 18,700 put. Highest open interest on the call side was at 18,900 as on yesterday with 1 CR open interest. Today it is 1 point, almost 1.2 CR open interest. So there is some addition to 18,900 call. So as far as option data is concerned, we could expect 18,700 to 18,900 range. If by chance the news is positive and if market breaks above 18,800, we will see some short covering rally. We will see some short covering rally. So 700 on the downside, 700 to 680 on the downside is the support area where we can probably think of buying. If 800 breaks, there would be some short covering rally towards 18,850 to 18,900 level. So basically, the range will be 700 to 900 that we have to play, unless until we have a surprise on the downside or upside. No surprises from the news. This range is most likely to be held. Any dips is again a buying opportunity on Nifty. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, is not very comfortable. So Nifty, though I can say comfortably bullish, Bank Nifty doesn't give me that comfort zone of outrightly saying bullish because the setup looks like that. Where if you see multiple new highs were made, but RSA did not make a new high, it is consistently making lower highs. So price making new highs, RSA not making new highs is classic bearish divergence. Not one, there are two, three divergences in a row. So multiple bearish divergences is not a healthy sign as of now. Not only multiple bullish divergences, if you take a look at the high, the first high was close to 44,980, the second was a little lower, 44,050, and now today high we are struggling to get past above 44,200. Now 44,200 to 250 becomes a resistance area for tomorrow. So any up move can only be expected above 44,250. What is the level we can expect if 250 breaks? I could expect 44,950 to 44,500 levels could be not 950, 44,450. 450 to 500 level. So basically 44,500 level, give or take 50, 60 points here or there, should be a resistance area if by chance 250 breaks. The setup is not very comfortable on the buying side for Bank Nifty. Hourly chart, as such, hourly chart, if you see, going by how I see the chart, this has been a support area for a while now, right? This has been a support area. Look at the first rally, 44,450. Second rally, 44,200. Third rally, 44,200, 250 level. So basically, support is same, but each time market bouncing off from the support area is not very convincing for me. So if market by chance breaks 43,800 levels, I could expect further sell off towards 43,500 levels. So basically, what I'm expecting is only and only about 250. I would assume long position, not a big target, maybe around 44,500. If by chance 44,200 to 50 is not broken, we could probably expect market to test 44,000. If 44,000 is given up, 43,800 on cards. Below 43,800, expect 43,500. So basically, the technical setup on Bank Nifty is not very promising. Option data, Nifty though bullish, Bank Nifty option data is not very bullish. The I think we discussed on Friday also the straddle has been written, so they are continuing with the straddle selling. So on the call side, we had yesterday 35 lakhs. Now it has become 68 lakhs. So 44,000 call letters have actually built up 30 lakhs odd positions. Put traders at 44,000 were holding 42 lakhs open interest. Now they have increased to 59 lakhs. If you see here, 44,000 call traders are having built 68 lakhs and 44,000 put traders have built 59 lakhs. So the open interest was actually in favor of call rating today, which is slightly bearish. If you see the rating at 44,000, we saw 32 lakhs built up today. 44,100, 24 lakhs, 44,200, 24 lakhs. So, first three immediate strikes, we have seen close to 60 lakhs open build up. Put side, I see build up not in 20. See, call rating is in 30 lakhs and 20 lakhs, whereas in the put side, the rating, the maximum I see is 16 lakhs, nothing more than that. So basically, the option data is certainly bearish. We will see how 44, 250 and 44,000. These two levels are we are concentrating on these two levels. How this range hold for tomorrow. Basically, I would go with slightly bearish view on Bank Nifty. Is it immediately? No, no immediate shorting because we are at 44,000 levels, which is the highest put open interest. So no shorts at support area. Any rally if I get, if 44,250 is a struggling zone again, I would again use that opportunity, the rally opportunity to sell rather than creating a both buy position. Only about 250 I will think of longs. If 250 is not broken, 44 250 is not broken, I would still use any opportunity on the upside to sell rather than building or going long. So the gist of the story for tomorrow, given the news also in mind, I would still continue to retain the same view on Nifty, where 650 is a support area. Any dips to 650 to 700 is a buying opportunity on Nifty. Above 18,800, we could see some short covering rally towards 850 to 900 level. So basically, Nifty is bullish. Bank Nifty 44,200 is a resistance area, closing around support area. Right now, today, the closing around 44,000 support area. 43,800 is a support, and last hope for the bulls to defend. Any dip below 43,800 will lead to further sell off. So, divergences and lower highs not in favor of bulls. So, now for me, this will be the critical area. 44,250 will be the critical area for the up move. If it is not getting past 44 to 50 is critical for bulls. Critical for bulls. So this is the level I'll watch to assume any strong positions on the upside. If not, I will continue to hold on to sell on rally on Bank Nifty, buy on dips on Nifty. So Nifty is moving up, Bank Nifty is not cooperating. So basically, this is probably led by a non-banking stock like Reliance Industry, which is up almost 1% today. So let's see how the news pans out tomorrow and how the expiry will be there. So play these levels, buy on dips on Nifty, Bank Nifty, a struggling zone. Keep following us on all the social media so that you don't miss any of these updates. And thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye.